Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Welcome to the Spanish word of the day. Learn Spanish daily with Mr. Brigs. Today's word is the word jealous in Spanish. But before we watch the video, please subscribe. Click that red button, it's free, and it will help me to continue uploading free videos for you. The word jealous, which can have a negative connotation, is celoso if you're a male. If you're a female, celosa. Celoso. Celosa. Tres sílabas. 3 syllables. If you want to say I'm jealous, then you would say yo estoy celoso if you're a guy. Yo estoy, I am, celoso, jealous. Yo estoy celoso. Now, if you're a female, you would say yo estoy celosa. Yo estoy celosa. Celosa. Now, the guy is jealous, so you would say él está celoso. He's jealous. Now, this girl is jealous, so you would say ella está celosa. She's jealous. Más ejemplos, more examples. Él estaba celoso. He was jealous. Ella estaba celosa. She was jealous. Ella estaba celosa. If you want to ask someone if he or she is jealous, you would ask, ¿estás celoso? Or ¿estás celosa? Are you jealous? If you're asking a man, you would ask, ¿estás celoso? ¿Estás celoso? If you're asking a female, you would ask, ¿estás celosa? ¿Estás celosa? Muy bien, let's practice. Celoso. Celoso, jealous, male. Celosa, jealous, female. Please click the red button and subscribe. It's free. And what's more, I'll do a face reveal when I hit 100,000 subs. Okay, my dear amigos, thank you so much. Please look after yourself. Take care, and I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.